Do you suffer from frequent sneezing, congestion, and runny nose? You may have allergic rhinitis, also known as hay fever. Allergic rhinitis is caused by an allergic reaction to particles such as pollen, dust mites, animal dander, or mold. The symptoms of allergic rhinitis can be uncomfortable and even debilitating, making it difficult to concentrate, sleep, or even breathe properly. But there is hope. There are many ways to manage. Homeopathy is one way and is so effective in treating allergic rhinitis. Additionally, taking steps to reduce your exposure to allergens can help alleviate symptoms. This includes keeping windows closed during high pollen counts, regularly washing bedding and stuffed animals, and avoiding outdoor activities during spring-summer, peak allergy season. With the right management techniques, you can still enjoy all that life has to offer, even with allergic rhinitis. If you think you may have allergic rhinitis, talk to your doctor.